Imagine walking through a bustling city, yet rain falls only on you. Why me, you wonder, as others stay dry. But soon you notice the rain washes away your worries, revealing a vibrant world. A stranger smiles. Embrace it, for it cleanses the soul. You dance, feeling alive, while others watch in awe. The rain becomes your friend, guiding you to new paths. You realize it's not a burden, but a blessing, making you unique. As the sun breaks through, you stand renewed, ready to inspire others. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.